Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use browser extensions to enhance your privacy. So take an example. If you're browsing in a browser over here, so for my case, I'm on my Chrome. If I want to enhance my privacy, I'll come to the three dots here, and then once I come to the three dots, I'll come to settings gear icon down there. Then I'll come to privacy and security. Now you have to turn on these things. You have to turn on the privacy guide over here. You can leave this, but then you have to turn on the always use secure connection. You have to turn that one on, and then after turning that one on, you can also scroll up over here, and then you have to turn on the safe browsing. So you come to safe browsing over here, and then turn on enhanced protection. Okay, so once you turn on enhanced protection over here, you'll be safe to go over, guys. So you can go ahead and browse on the internet. And then one last thing, you have to turn on this do not track. So this means anyone can't track your location over here promptly using these websites. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet.